All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install a Little Dipper glow cup on a HummingBird Helix 5. Show you how easy this is. So there's this wall right here. I'm gonna come in, find the right height. So I got clearance from underneath and above. Stick it on the wall. Make sure it's level there. And then there's enough space behind the arm and the mount. Zip tie. And there's also a screw hole if you wanted to do a more permanent attachment, but I like the idea of just using the double-sided tape and a zip tie. Zip tie it in there. Now, there's your glow cup. You can slide it in, fold it out. It's in place. Now the wiring is easy as well. You got positive, negative lead wires. Go ahead and plug them onto the battery here. And each kit is going to come with these cable pinch connectors. It's super easy. Just slam that on there. And get some pliers. Make sure it's in the center there. Put that one in place. Whoop. Clamp that one in place. Okay, and both on there. Yep, that one's good. Now, you got to do is black to black. Plug in these little paddles. If I can, go. There we go. And feed the cord up underneath here. That's it. That is how easy it is to connect your glow cup up to your shuttle. And it's motion activated. Drop an alert, kicks on, shuts itself off after 30 seconds. And it's nice because on the old ones, you'd have to unplug this over and over again to turn it on and off if you were moving or whatever. But I built in a switch on this guy. So you can shut it off right from the cup. There you go, super easy. Super excited to bring these out.